Hello guys, welcome to our channel Mocha Guide. This is your personal AI master Navin. Today I am going to teach you how you can make any beautiful song from using AI just in 2 minutes. So let's get started.
So at first open ChatGPT. Just write, give me a beautiful lyrics song. Anything you like, anything you want, just give a prompt. ChatGPT will start writing lyrics for your song. Just wait and watch. And now just copy the lyrics. And again write, give me a prompt for Suno AI for this song. Then ChatGPT will give you a prompt for Suno AI. And again copy this. If you have iPhone, open App Store. If you have Android, open Play Store and search Suno app and install it. I already installed it, so I will open this. It will take just 2 seconds to open this app. Just click on red icon. Then just paste copied lyrics from your clipboard. And on this song description, paste prompt here. You can select anything, just like male voice, female voice, electronic. I choose it. Just write a title for this song. Now just click on create. Now guys, your song is on the it will take just few seconds to prepare your song. Now your song is ready. Just click on title and listen it. It will 100% copyright free music. This is copyright free music, okay?
Every time you smile, the world.
You can save it, you can download it, it will be 100% free. Just enjoy your music.
Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel